exactly what I need to do if I end up with you. Should I give up or should I just keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere?
Still recording. Hey guys, that was bad. That was real bad, boys and girls. I left the wreck just the way it was. These two things, this thing got freaking destroyed, man. Look at this. It got destroyed. I'll be surprised if the propeller still works. Now the plane itself, the front of it, smashed. I don't know what happened. Don't know what happened. It wouldn't pull up. It just dove straight to the ground. It would not pull up. Freaking nose dived right into the ground. Alright. Sad day.
Keep chasing pavements, even if it leads nowhere.